I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So today we're going to do another video on the $1,000 challenge update. Let's go and see the progress, how we came for this week. We had a solid back-to-back winners this week. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So let's go ahead and open up Robinhood here. So you can see right now we're at 1665.97, exactly right there. When I closed on Friday, it was about 1666, 666. Yep. So right now the only position I am in is CGC. I'm going to go over why I see value in that for an investment and for the swing trade that's coming up, and why I entered a small position in that. But I'm going to show you some trades that I took this week, a few winners. So looking at the winning trades, picked up a SPY call. This one actually ran up 130%. I took profit a little early as soon as I saw that jump. We had some good news with the China trade deals that Trump announced on Friday, so we saw that jump. But again, this was a nice gamble, 27% return. Can't complain about that. Quick day trade. And also and I saw people taking some of my trades on the UVXY. That played out very nicely overnight. So that was about $15 profit on that one. I played it safe. It ran up a lot more, about $80-$90 on the profit. And also had a few other ones. This was a very quick trade. In 2 minutes, made almost 12% on this trade, $58. So you can see a lot of these plays, and I'll go over another one right here. This was an overnight trade, Visa call, and BAC was a solid one. This ran up a lot more after I sold it as well. So I took profits a little early on the markets, and I'll show you why I did that. Looking at S&P 500, closed very nicely, by the way, on Friday above 274. That was a big support. I want to see it close above and a resistance, so that will be that support now for next week. But looking at the 5-day, if you zoom in on the chart, you can see as soon as we're seeing that market run up in the morning, we're seeing that drop. They ran up and then you see that drop. So take to this day, for example, you see markets run up a little bit and then they come back down, and later on they go up. So that's pretty much market makers and Wall Street just doing their thing, taking out weak hands, taking out stop losses, taking out all those people that don't want to hold, or just selling off because they don't have much experience or don't know what's going on, or they just have stop loss set in mind and panic selling. That's what markets really try to do. They try to take out the weak people for the investments and the swing trades, and they keep day traders in the game because they go up and down. They can profit or take losses on that. But when you're in long term and you see markets coming down, your first reaction is going to be, oh, should I sell or not? And that's what we see. But I was about to, I posted that in the 1K challenge update. A trick that I used was buy on the dip previous day and sell on the pop next morning, which worked very nicely. So we're getting very close to that 2K mark. That will be that doubling the account, so getting to that 2,000. So we're very close right now. Just about $340 on that. So this week on the account, we made about $300 profits covered, and I called out everything play by play and everything before I got in early, and I posted all my screenshots of the trade on that. So you can see I posted it from Robinhood. So I hope you guys were able to take that. If you're in the chat room, take those trades with me. If not, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join membership so you can receive live trading alerts like these. And we had a lot more back-to-back winners all week. So this is how some of the options trades will look like. I'll post a quick screenshot. I'll be like, I entered over here, and I'll post it right there, and give a brief description of how that is. So my challenge next is to get this account up to 2,000, and that will be doubling the account. That will be 100% return on that. So right now we're about 50 to 60% because I started a little bit over $1,000, but right now we're between 50 to 60% return, and that's only started in October, so that's just about a month and a half. So just in 1.5 months, we're at about 50 to 60% profit, and that's why I love options. I'm mainly doing options on these. So next, we're going to get into CGC, why I see value in that. I picked up a small position in this, up $1 on this right now, only 10 shares, so up just a little bit on this, not even a percent yet. I'm looking for about 3 to 5% return on this, maybe even more, looking for $3 to $5 swing trade. And let's go ahead and get into CGC really quick. So looking at the yearly chart, I saw that solid 200 SMA bounce, and being that previously it hugged the 50 SMA, and then every time it gets to that 200 SMA, it kept bouncing off. So I saw great value on this because being that EMA is about to curl back up, and being that it's bouncing off of that, that's a very good upward channel pattern that I saw, and about to break out as soon as it hits over that 39 to 40 area. Looking at the 180-day chart, also we're seeing MACD curl back up, and we're seeing that bottom on the RSI test at that 30. We're seeing it bounce back up. Also received some few buy alerts on this. And looking at the 30-day, which a lot of swing traders look at, that is being that MACD coming up as well, about to cross over. RSI is very good. We've seen accumulation at the bottom in the mid 30s on that one, a little bit below 35. So that was a very good potential that I saw. And looking at the Fibonacci on this as well, again, the Fibonacci script, all my members have access to that. They can download it for free if you're a member. Make sure to join as a membership on pinnacletrading.us. And looking at that 50% retracement on this, it didn't come back down to the one below. So that's why we're seeing come back up, bounce about there. So breakout is definitely coming up. We're seeing accumulation. I saw that on Friday, and same thing on this. Saw that 61.8% retracement on the 180-day, and looking at the 30-day, it was a solid bounce right off of there with the 0% retracement. Sorry, the 100%. So that's why I really like this for a swing trade. Also want to get into investing in weed or marijuana stocks. So I just took this as a small trade, looking for a nice return. Also, we're seeing every time it hits that 34.6, right below 35, saw accumulation all of Friday. Big volume on that one. So that looked good to me. And looking at S&P 500, we've seen a solid come up on this one. So upward pattern, same thing, barely went below 270. So looking for a 275 break next week and want to see test 280. Should be getting some news regarding the China trade news on that one. So guys, hope you enjoyed the $1,000 challenge video. I'm going to keep updating this every 2 weeks and do a monthly update. As I get time, I might even do a weekly recap on the account. But I don't want to do a weekly one just because there's a lot of trades up and down. And 1 week I might be down, 1 week I might be up. So I just want to do a steady 2 week or a monthly video on this. So if you guys liked everything and you want to follow my $1,000 challenge or do a $500 challenge, even $100 challenge, or anything lower or more, you can do that with options. It's great way to grow a small account. So that's what my goal is to show with this $1,000 account. And make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on social media and hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. If you want to join the chat room and receive live trading alerts, along with be a part of a great positive trading community, make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us, and you can grab a 1 week free trial at no cost by scrolling down and clicking the join now button to see how we are and how we run. And if you want to join the membership, head over to the membership tab, and we have simple month-to-month plan pricing and simple pricing setup. Our goal includes our options, investing more, and your diamond includes one-to-one mentorship access where we teach you how to get started with trading, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, started with investing, trading stocks, options, and more. And if you want to grab our 6 and 12 month plans, we have that as well, which saves you money in the long run.